Is CrankWheel the must-have tool for insurance agents? In this quick explainer, we're going to dive into why this software could completely transform your client interactions, making it more efficient, seamless, and impactful. First off, CrankWheel is a screen-sharing tool designed to make the lives of insurance agents a whole lot easier. If you're tired of the long, clunky demo processes or spending unnecessary time on complicated setups, CrankWheel has you covered. With just a click, you can instantly share your screen with clients, no downloads required on their end. This saves you a lot of time and frustration, which means more time focusing on what really matters, closing deals. Next thing, the speed. CrankWheel eliminates the typical tech hurdles like downloading software or waiting for clients to set up their systems. Whether you're on a call, texting, or emailing, sharing your screen takes seconds. It's an ideal solution if you need to show a policy, explain numbers, or demonstrate something live without the back and forth tech issues that usually come with other platforms. The fourth thing to note is the simple interface. Insurance agents don't need to be tech experts to use CrankWheel. It's designed with user-friendliness in mind, so you can focus on the conversation rather than getting bogged down with complex features. Your clients will appreciate how straightforward it is, and you'll be more productive with fewer distractions. Now, the fifth thing that really sets CrankWheel apart is the flexibility. You can share your screen with anyone, anywhere, with no technical barriers in place. It's compatible across all devices, so you never have to worry about your clients being on the wrong system. This makes it perfect for an industry where reaching clients fast is key. The sixth thing is the privacy and security features. CrankWheel lets you control exactly what you share. No accidental leaks of personal data or other sensitive information, just the screen you're showing. Plus, it's secure, so your client's information stays protected throughout the entire interaction. So, by now, you might be wondering, how much does all this cost? Well, here's the good news. You can use CrankWheel completely free with our exclusive bonuses, including an extended free trial that isn't available anywhere else. Check the first link below to grab this offer before it's gone. Finally, CrankWheel really shines when it comes to boosting conversions. By delivering quick, effective demos and fostering a more personal connection with clients, you're more likely to close those deals faster and build stronger relationships with your clients. To recap, CrankWheel makes insurance sales smoother, faster, and more secure. It's easy to use, has a lightning-fast setup, and provides a seamless experience for you and your clients. And don't forget, you can grab your extended free trial right now by clicking the link below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out CrankWheel's free trial with our exclusive offer.